Good morning, my little ones. How are you doing this morning? I hope that you're doing okay. Today is Tuesday, November 10th, 2020. And thanks be to God outside, we are having a sunny weather. Yesterday we spoke about one of our senses. Which one of them did we talk about? Sense of sight? No, we did that one already. Sense of smell? No, we did that one already. Sense of hearing, that's right. And we use our ears to hear. We use our ears to hear. Now, we spoke about loud sounds. We spoke about soft sounds. Yes, and things that made loud sounds. And you gave me the nice work. Yeah, they are really nice. Thank you very much. All right. Today, I'm going to tell you about some sounds that informs us of danger. Now, you hear a sound. Let me play it for you. Listen. Hold on. Can you hear that? That's the smoke detector sound. That's warning you that something dangerous is happening. Some smoke is somewhere. Now listen to this other sound. That one is informing us that there is fire. That's the fire alarm sound. Listen. Can you hear it? Yes, that's the fire alarm sound. Those sound informs us when something dangerous is about to happen. So the smoke, some fire catches in somewhere and the smoke goes up on the detector, and then you hear that beeping sound. You know you must run to look. You don't run though, call mommy, say, mommy, I am hearing the detector, come and look, something is catching a fire somewhere. And then when it's fire time now, the fire alarm goes off and it alerts. And you know who they call? The fire brigade. And the fire brigade have a sound too, You want to hear the fire brigade sound? Hold on. You hear the sound of the fire truck? Yes, the fire truck is coming. Get out of the way. Yes, man. That's the sound of the fire truck. So those are some of the sounds that informs us of danger. Now some people are unable to hear them. Why? Because they are hearing impaired, or some persons say they are deaf. So when the ears aren't working, the ears you can't hear, they can't hear the sounds, they can't hear anything, they are deaf. So we have to give God thanks that we are able to hear, because some persons, they cannot hear. Now for your activity, we are going to have some fun listening to some sounds. So I am going to play sounds of some animals, and you are going to draw in your books the animal sounds that you hear. That's going to be one of your activity for today. So thank you, my boys and girls. I'll see you later.